It has been a very trying day, and I think we could all use a little rainbow now and then. The rainbow connection. All of the paints I'm using tonight, aside from the pillow paint, are from Arteza. They're the pearlescent collection. So they all have some mica in them and they turn out absolutely beautifully. I am trying a new recipe tonight with some of my paints. This one, the hot pink, is one of the older ones. So this is mixed with a pouring medium that is the Sherwin-Williams HGTV untinted base paint, and that is mixed with polycrylic. And I believe it's probably a 2-to-1 ratio. Now tonight I have fresh paints and a fresh recipe, and it's still the HGTV untinted base paint, but this time it's mixed with the JoSonja water-based polyurethane. This color that I'm adding right now, this is called, you know, I'm not quite sure. That actually may be Amaranth Red now that I look at it. It is Amaranth Red. This is Papaya Orange. This is the new recipe. I'm not generally an orange person, but I could not resist this color. This shade is perfect. Canary yellow. I'm making my circles concentrically a little smaller because I do actually want the rainbow effect. I don't want them all to just jumble together. Some jumbling is fine, but I don't want to completely jumble it. Here we have the lime green. I'm using a lot of paint. I want to cover this entire tile. This tile is somewhere between 6.5 and 7.5 inches, depending on how you measure it. It is a hexagon. If I'm not mistaken, I found it at Lowe's. The chances of me being mistaken are quite high. Here's the sea green. Turquoise. Got a big old glob of something in there. The shade is electric blue. This is royal purple. I'm going to top this with pearl white because I'm going to use a black cell activator and I want drama. I love, in paint, drama. I do not much care for it in real life. And this, I am going to kind of do a little bit of a drizzle. Not overboard. Overboard is fine, I just don't feel like it right now. And then we're coming in with black cell activator. This is made with Australian Floetrol. I'm then going to blow it out. Depending on how that goes, I may use some other implements as well, but right now we're just going to plan on blowing it. But I don't actually plan on blowing it, so strike that. I plan on blowing it out. I hope I don't blow it. Not that that would surprise me after today. Here we go. Oh, that made me a little lightheaded. Okay. Now we wait. Okay, I'm gonna spin it a little. Before it starts going everywhere. Ooh, one good spin, look at that. That's pretty. Ugh, yuck, that's an icky bug. Where'd you come from, icky bug? Ugh, yuck. Icky bugs aside, that's lovely. That's very pretty. I'm gonna tilt it just a little this way. And yes, I am tilting my entire cake spinner. This cake spinner is awesome. It's one of the heavy duty metal ones. I've got it linked below in the description if you're interested in getting one. Don't bother with a cheap one, you'll regret it, and then you'll just end up buying one of these anyway. Not that it was that expensive, it was like in the 30s or something, which for your art, if you sell it, you know, is just a business expense and quite an affordable one at that. Oh wow, that is glorious. Okay, I'll bring you in to see some details. Look at that. Look at all the layers in these cells. This is so pretty. So all of these paints, the Arteza Pearl, are semi-transparent, which just makes for some incredible effects. This is so beautiful. I'm going to zoom in because I want you to see that. Look at the rainbow slick right there. And then look at those cells. Oh my goodness. And then here. Oh, wow. That is a showstopper. Thanks for watching. Next shot, I'll show it to you dry.